what's up. He wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up.
Hey y'all, it's Jayvuuloe. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am reviving a old wig and showing you guys the step-by-step process. As you can see, this wig is old, busted, and dusted. It got leftover glue from the last time I wore it a year ago. Yes, this wig is a year old, but you're not going to be able to tell by the end of the video. So we're cleaning up all of this. As you can see, the residue will be cleaned up with a brush. And I'm just starting off with a little water just to break down some of that glue. And I use VO5. This is the cheapest shampoo from the Dollar Tree. I don't like to use expensive shampoo on cheap wigs. It's really no point in doing that. So I'm taking my time. I'm going through and I'm washing all of the glue off. And as you can see now, I'm using the process of scraping that off. Now you could also use alcohol if you want to, and then just completely wash the wig. But I just wanted to go all out. Once I'm done, I go ahead and rinse everything with water very thoroughly. And my next step here is my good old Swab and Tail. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Fabric softener basically eliminates all of the frizz. You can basically picture it as you washing clothes, and fabric softener bringing back in the softness in your clothes. It does the same thing with your wigs. I didn't use that much. This probably was about 3 tablespoons of that, and I just wish it around in the water. And you're going to see me soak this. Now this is hot water. It's completely hot. And I soak it for 10 minutes. And when I pull it out, you'll see the difference in the color of water. Like, girl, what is that? What is that? Dirty water? Yes, okay. It really works. It really does work. I probably would not do this process. No, I know I would not do this process for a human wig. But my synthetic wigs, I always do this and they always come out right. So I'm bringing in the VO5 again, only because I want to make sure all of that fabric softener is out of the hair. I don't want to start any fires or anything like that, so I want to make sure all of that is rinsed out. And as you can see, I'm going back and forth as if I was washing a piece of clothing. Of course, you don't want to be too rough, but you got to make sure that all of that is out. So as I'm washing it, I'm noticing that the water was not clean, so I just do the process over until I get clean water. So after washing it with fabric softener and VO5, I'm now making sure I get all of the leftover water out of the wig. So now I'm just brushing it through while it's wet. I try to keep it low because that water will swing in your face, girl. You're gonna be getting hit like you in a pool. But yeah, just brushing it and showing y'all what it looks like now. So now it's just waiting until it dries. As you can see, it's dripping, so I have a towel at the bottom just to catch all of the drippings. Ooh, bless you, girl. So now this is the wig. It's all dried up, y'all. Yeah, this is it. It actually has some movement to it. It did have movement in the beginning, but it was just so stale. Now I'm just mapping out my baby hairs. Y'all know the process, okay? We not new to it, we true to it. So this is really just the styling part of the video. And you'll see the aftermath at the end, but please don't get on me. I have yet to use a curling iron. I've been using a straightener to curl my hair for the past 10 years. I don't think it'll ever change for me. So, yeah, I may upgrade my straightener, but I will always curl my hair with a straightener. So I'm just finishing up my makeup here. And mind you, y'all, it is my birthday. So I'm just doing a slight beat. I didn't want to do too much because I just want to enjoy my day. I don't want to have to worry about a whole bunch of makeup on my face. So I did the bare minimum. So this is the finishing product. If you feel like you took all the oil out, spray a tad bit of oil sheen, girl, and call it a day, okay? But yeah, as you can see, the fabric softener in the VO5 did its work, okay? Girl, go ahead and turn around and show them what you're working with. Show them what you're working with. But thank you for watching my video. I wanted to also say thank you to my 2 new subscribers. You guys mean the world to me. I love y'all and see you in the next video.